Hey everyone, it's Jason here with Volley Tours. Got my man Stefan Boermans from the Dutch national team, and we're here on Sunsation Beach to give you a little cornhole tutorial. We've each got 4 bags of our color. We're gonna alternate throwing one at a time. On the board, 1 point. In the hole, 3 points. The team that scores more as they lie at the end of our throws receives the difference. If he scores 8, I score 4, his team gets 4 points. We're against each other. If we had partners, they would be on the other side. We throw against each other. Just that simple. So let's see, we'll see how it goes. Get in there, baby. Okay. Come on. Oh, it's terrible. All right. Awesome. Now we'll count them up. Stefan's gonna keep score for us. So we've got 2 on for orange, 1 in, 5 points. 2 in for black, 7 points, 2 points for my team. Very important, 11-0, skunk, game over. If you score over 21, you go back to 15. At the end of the game, you have to hit exactly 21. Otherwise, you go back to 15. Unless you're in a hurry, then 21 or over, no problem.